To avoid 4 thicknesses of sheeting at the junctions of side and end laps, it is necessary for 2 of the sheets at each junction to be mitered at the corners so that they lie in the same plane. This eliminates an entire layer of fibre cement to prevent water ingress through the gaps that occur if not mitered. The measurements for the miters are dictated by the required end and side laps of the sheets, which for FarmTech in standard conditions are 205mm and 50mm as shown. This will allow for the miter to be oversized slightly by 3 to 5mm to allow for movement. Mark the measurements on the sheet as shown to ensure a neat, straight cut. All miters should be cut at ground level using a hand saw or reciprocating power saw with blades at a 3 to 3.5mm tooth pitch. The dust caused by cutting should be classed as nuisance and non-hazardous industrial waste, and appropriate PPE should be used. The same measurements will then apply for the miter on the diagonally opposite sheet at the junction. Ideally, the gap between miters should be a minimum of 3mm to a maximum of 5. Ensure the gauge is used to align the sheets when positioning. The mitered joint is then covered by the top sheet and is thus weatherproof and unseen. The top edges of the sheets at the ridge and ridge fittings, including crank crown sheets, vents and 2-piece ridges, do not require mitering.